Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by enabling the tools needed to speak to text. First, make sure your microphone is allowed for apps and set as the default device. This prevents permission blocks. Next, open Microsoft Word and sign into Microsoft 365 so the Dictate button appears on the Home ribbon. Click Dictate to start the service. You'll see a red recording dot. Once done, speak a short test phrase to confirm clarity and adjust levels to reduce echo or background noise. Now focus on controlling what you say and why it matters. Speak at a steady pace and enunciate punctuation. Say comma, period, or new line, so word inserts correct symbols and breaks. Pause briefly after complex clauses. This gives the cloud service time to transcribe accurately and reduces run-on mistakes. Use voice editing commands like select previous sentence, delete that, or undo to fix text without typing. If you need another language or accent model, change the to finish, click the Dictate button to stop recording and then proofread the document. Listen for homophones, missing capitalization, and punctuation errors because speech models sometimes misinterpret context. If accuracy is poor, move closer to the microphone, reduce background sound, or switch to a higher quality input device. If Dictate fails to start or drops words, sign out and back into Microsoft 365, check for word updates, or restart Dictate. These steps often reset the cloud connection and resolve most session errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.